Hello, I'm back in Miss Molly's kitchen, and as promised earlier, I'm gonna make some nice cream in our deluxe cooking blender. This is the recipe book, and there's several different recipes for this, and the recipe calls for using alternative milk, so almond milk or oat milk or any of those. I don't have any of those, so I'm going to use regular milk tonight. It's very simple. First let me show you this. You know what this is? This is homemade strawberry jam. It's a big old jar of it. I have two of these actually. There's a 12-ounce jar and a 16-ounce jar, and it was 1 pound of strawberries in the cooking blender set to jam. Never in my life have I made jam, but now I make jam in the deluxe cooking blender. This thing is awesome. Okay, now let me show you what I'm going to put in here. So, therefore, I have a couple of frozen peaches. I froze them in chunks, and 2 frozen bananas. What I did is I sliced them in my quick slice. They're all the same thickness, and press them in between wax paper, and then I can just pop them right in here like so. You notice they're not brown, they're really nicely frozen. And then I'm going to put the other one in. Then I measure 1/3 of either the alternative milk or regular milk. I think one of these dropped back. Yeah, it did. Look at that. The banana falling up in there. I'll pour that in like this. Put the lid on. Get my tamper ready in case I need to tamp it down. And I put it on Custom Blend 3. Now when it makes that noise, that's what I need to tamper. Tamp it down when it stops, and eventually it's going to get going and do its own thing. It does, that will look a little bit like ice cream. That is done, and it looks like soft serve ice cream. I should have brought a spoon. Hold on, here I come with a spoon. Oh my goodness, it does have the consistency of ice cream. All it is fruit. This is going to be a new thing here in the Barber house because I've been eating way too much ice cream. When I feel like something cold, it's going to be nice cream. Thanks for watching.